Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I made some improvements to the house, and I'm just gonna kind of be showing them off. And the reason I have some netherite stuff is because the new update just got added to mobile, and I was in a car for 7 hours for 2 days, and I pretty much played Minecraft the whole time. So I got some stuff. So first, this is like the biggest thing I've added. One of them is I got another portal. What I did was, I dug out two, and then I just kept placing dirt under it and then breaking it, so then I just didn't have to jump in and burn every time. But so, the next, this one's like really big, well, there's actually two really big ones. So one is this. I mean, this isn't really big, but it adds a ton of room, a crafting thing. So then what's really big is if you go past this and then into here, then it's a giant thing into this cave. And so there's actually a mob spawner down here, so there's going to be a ton of mobs, and I keep dying to them. So, oh, no, there used to be a skeleton that was down here, which just kept killing me because I was already low from the lava entrance thing. So now I'm just going to kind of block it off and then kind of get what's in the chest. I'm breaking. That's good. Some bones. Ooh, a golden apple. That's good, nice. Some more bones. Ooh, a saddle is actually really good. Some wheat and another saddle. Wait, can they stack? No, they can't. And then I guess if I want some chickens. And so I'm going to take these too. But I think, not today, but I think I might at one point turn this into a mob grinder or whatever you want it. But comment below if you want me to do that, or if you want me to keep just going normally without adding a mob grinder. Actually, I'm just gonna make that can be today's episode. So today I'm gonna be making a mob farm grinder. What is that? Oh, it's an Enderman. Dang it. That was actually kind of cool. Yeah, so I'm going to make that into a mob grinder. So I've had some very little experience. But when I make it, you need ladders. But let's see. Yeah, how I make it, you need ladders and hoppers. You need 4 hoppers. So how do you... Hopper... Okay, so chest... And then, so I just need some iron. I have 8. I think you need 5 for 1 hopper, and I need 4. So let's check. Well, it's just nothing. Oh yeah, and I got a ton of stuff. Like, I got this, a decent sword, and then a protection 3 chest plate, and a very, very good axe. But I'm going to save them for... I'm going to save them for if I really need them, because they're diamond, and I meant they're gold, and gold is not very, good for sustainability. So I have 10, so I can make 2. Maybe I'll just make it a 2 one, because I don't see the point in sort of wasting time. So as we wait for that to go, I'm just going to sort of figure that out. I'm gonna figure out how to. But it's not actually that good. It's only a what is it? It's only a zombie one. Creeper, explode! Dang it! Oh. Wait, did it make another one? Hey, I'm actually just gonna start because my plan, well, first, I'm just going to do this first because it's going to take like 2 seconds. But my plan was to kind of like keep this closed off. So I'm just going to kind of close this off. And then like that. Oh God. Okay, and just like that. Perfect. Okay, so that's closed off now. There's nothing that can get in. Or, you know what, you sort of know what I mean, I guess. Anyway, so let's get back to that mob grinder. So I guess we can have well, we need a sorted far drop. Let's just make it a super long drop. How about like, nope, I don't want to break that. Oh God, this is not gonna end well. I'm just gonna get a ton of ladders. Because I'm going to make it a super far drop so they die on impact. Because I don't want to make like all that weird killing mumbo jumbo stuff. I mean, I guess I could technically look at mumbo jumbo's videos, but probably will teach me a lot. But nope. Yeah. So this kind of took a sort of while to build. Anyway, let's go get some wood. Ow. Dang it. Well, perfect. Anyway, let's just get some wood. How much do you need? Let me sort of sleep, because I don't want stuff to attack me. Go away, monsters. Okay, I need to take care of them. Okay. That's not a if this is what they can. Oh, okay. There was a. Please don't spit. I didn't hit him, did I? I keep hitting him, don't I? Oh, well, there goes the trader. Anyway, so it's a witch that was nearby? Or this? I think it might have been a witch, because nothing else can do that, right? They're mad at each other. Anyway, let me just go to bed. I really like the new layout of the house. It's cool. Jeez, I pressed out a ton. Anyway. Wood. I just need a ton of wood. Okay, so it'll still just going at it. Stop. Okay. Perfect. So that's not a lot of wood. So it's 16 to make a stack. I'm just gonna make I might get 2 stacks. And then okay. So that's 16. That's 1 stack. And then almost 2 stacks. I just need 32. Okay, 30, 31, 32. Okay, so that's 32. Perfect. So I just need 2 spaces. Okay, 2 stacks on the dot. So what I should maybe do is turn 1 stack just into sticks, just straight up into sticks. Because to make a ladder, let me just make 1 so it shows up. Seriously? Well, to make a ladder, oh, you just need a ton of sticks. Okay, that I can do. I can make a stack of sticks. Perfect. Okay, now I can make 36 of these. This is actually perfect. Wait, it said I could make 36, not that. Anyway, let's just keep going into the flames. There's kind of an air pocket right here, so you can just sort of refuel your air. I don't know why I did that. Well, so now I have enough. No, not near me, not near this. Over here, this is where you can safely blow up. This is where you are allowed to blow up. But I will not allow you because I need some gunpowder. Anyway, so they're gonna spawn in to these two holes. Let's see how deep I should go. Why is there dirt underground? That's like not realistic. How much does it? Okay, well I'm at bedrock, so that's how much it's gonna take. Okay. I don't think it's gonna kill them, honestly. But who knows? I actually don't, so. Wait, why do I need ladders? Oh, right. I guess they're falling on the other side because my logic just failed. Anyway, I'm almost there. These netherite tools are so good. Well, okay, I kind of want it to be level. Let me just polish andesite. I know it's like one of the ugliest blocks ever, but I don't know. I thought it would sort of be cool. Not cool. Come on. Okay. And then I don't need that. So I actually think, okay. I've never made one of these in survival, so it's kind of weird for me. So I guess, so they're going down here. I can't have one of them spawning on me. So this goes all the way down to bedrock, and then I'll take, oh wait, what am I doing? I don't have, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Okay, so let me just go make the hoppers, because I don't even have them. And then I will come back and do this after I patch this one with an ugly block, I know. I've also heard that this doesn't burn, but I'm not taking any chances because this took me a while. Also, do you like my new person? This is gonna be what I look like for a while. Don't burn, don't burn, don't burn. Okay. Blast furnace, do your thing. Then hopper. Hopper. Okay. Now I can go back and then go through here. I'm happy I made this a staircase because this would have been annoying. Okay, so now I can go down here. I forget, does this have more durability then? Okay, so this needs to be covered back up, I guess, with dirt. And then I'll just come through here. And then just add the ladders. And then just add the dirt. I don't know why I'm using dirt, but I am. And then like that. Just add a torch so it works. Wait, no, I actually need the hoppers to be. No, they need to be. So I need the hoppers to be here. Yeah, that's the problem. Well, we only need one ladder, I guess. I guess we can just sort of... Okay, that destroys it in time. So what I will do is like... No. Oops. Is like this. And then just hop on. Ow. Wait, I guess I could do... This is gonna be a while. Luckily it's a ladder. Okay. Ow. Okay. Okay, so this will actually be blocked off again. Okay, that's perfect. And I'm just gonna go down. Okay, that doesn't work. I'm gonna go down and then close it back. So the hoppers need to be here. And I need the, oh my God, I don't have to. This is gonna be a complicated process. I need to now go back up. So, I don't think I'm doing this right. Anyway, no doubting myself, but I kind of doubting myself. So this actually does not automatically kill you, but I kind of want to be killed because I want to go back. Okay, chest. I'm just gonna take 2 from over here. Greedy, greedy. Let's take the bottom one. So we just need 2 chests. And then do here. Do this tunnel. I probably should get some armor. Yeah, that's probably smart. Anyway, I always say anyway. Let's see if I survive. Okay, if I, well no, I need to be fully healed because I'm pretty sure I actually don't have more health than a zombie, I don't think. But if it kills them, then that's all we're looking for. Well, I guess I could sort of add a thing where I can kill them myself, but I wouldn't. I'm just gonna trust that it kills me, but goodbye. So there's 2 chests, and then I need the 2 hoppers, but I also need that. Okay. Complicated. So then the chests go here, and the hoppers go on it. But then they have to fall. No. I'm doing this all wrong. So the hoppers have to go here. And then this has to move to over here. And like this, and then boop. Boop. Okay. So is it connected? Okay, so it's connected. And then so the ladder thing has to go. Let me just close this back up. So this can be lit. So this doesn't have to be like total darkness. And then I guess I can go around here. Just far enough so there's no light. Wait. Oh my god, again. This doesn't let light in. Oh god. So wait, where did I? Okay. So that brings me here where there can be light again. So I guess this can all be connected, but I don't want it to be. And then I guess I can let this be a happy ever after mob grinder thing. First, now I need to fill the room up, I think. What was it? Okay. So I need to fill the room so it doesn't have anywhere else to go but okay, almost like that. No, so that can't be covered. But then this has to be covered. Like that. And I guess they need room. I don't know. They're not gonna climb. They're not. This is a zombie spawner. But then this needs to be blocked off. So they only can go here. No, this has to be blocked off. So then they can only go there. And only here. No, and then I have to make... No, this has to be... So they... I don't know. I don't know if they will spawn... I don't know if they spawn in a different radius, but... So maybe if I move it out of the mob spawner's range... Like, does that make sense? Like, if I move it out here. Okay, so this is, I think this might work. So if I move it here, and then I just connect it up. Yeah, see, and then I'm connected. But then this can't happen. Okay, so I need to go down again, right? And it doesn't matter how much I lose because I'm gaining a ton. Okay, so like this. I feel like I've gotten better, but I haven't. This is just gonna be just as weird. I think it's better if I go like that. This just destroys an axe. If you ever don't want an axe, just do this. Oh, I'm not dead yet. Yeah, this axe isn't gonna last. It's like dead. I might need to. I guess I could find a diamond axe, but that's sorta expensive. Okay. I've never made one of these in survival. It's actually not too hard. Okay, so they're probably gonna survive that. But they'll be insanely low. And can they regenerate? Don't know. And then I guess I can, if I want, I could. kill that. I need to take the axe and then destroy this and then break that and then jump out and then this can lead out. If there wasn't so much stupid gravel. Okay, so this will just lead out and then that's how I get in. Okay, so we don't want to go that far. We just want to go to like here. This will lead us in back into my cave, I think. It might even be above my cave. Yeah, and maybe I'm above. Okay, well that actually works perfectly. Okay, so now I can finish filling this in. So that's done. This is filled in. Goodbye. No, they can't have anywhere to spawn but that weird little hole. I don't even know if I have any more stuff. This is much easier and creative because I don't have to worry about block usage. These also look way more professional and creative. Okay, will you just go to the back? Okay. Just enough, I think. And so let me just destroy that. And then fill that in. Okay, perfect. You may start mobbing. Funny. Okay, you may start your process. And then so this will come up here. Okay, so then like that. And then you just go down. And then just kind of go. And then you don't need that. And then you just get stuff. And it works. If it works, it should work. Okay, well, so that's the mob grinder. Well, that's all for today, guys. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment down below if you like doing these sort of tutorial-like videos. And comment below any ideas that you want. Any ideas you have, I will probably do them. So yeah, just think of that. And actually comment, because I like reading your comments. Anyway, that's all for today, as I already said. So, bye guys.